Hello everybody, this week I hear you're learning about snakes, so I thought I'd show you how to make a snake just using a very simple, either the inside of a kitchen towel or the inside of a toilet roll. Easy peasy. So, what you need to do is you need to take your blank toilet roll tube, okay, and then you need to decorate it. Here's one that I did earlier that I decorated with a zigzag, okay. You then take your toilet roll and you start to cut. This is where you're going to probably need Mummy and Daddy's help. You start to cut going around your toilet roll as much as you can, all the way around, and it's going to make like a spiral shape by the time you finish with it. So you're going to keep going until you've got all the way basically to the end of your toilet roll. And there you go, you've got your spiral snake. You can then either stick onto one end some googly eyes, or you could draw some eyes, and you can make yourself like a little forked tongue by doing an upside down triangle and sticking that on. Okay, and then once you've done that, you end up with, here's one I made earlier, a spiral snake. Okay, that's the first way you can make a snake using a toilet roll. I also have another way that you can make it, and it looks a little bit like this one. Okay, so I've made a long slithery snake. Now for this one, what I did was I took 3 toilet rolls. Okay, I then took those toilet rolls and again with Mummy and Daddy's help cut them toilet rolls in half. Okay, I then needed to make some holes in them because you've got to tie them together. So I just got a pencil that was sharp enough that could make a hole. Again, get Mummy and Daddy to help you, and poked a hole through. Okay, once I did that with all of my toilet rolls, poked a hole through, okay, I then got some string, okay, and tied them together. So like this one, I'm putting the string through the hole here, and then I'm getting my last piece, which is going to be the tail, and I'm going to thread the string through like so, and then tie it in a knot. Okay, and then once you've tied it in a knot, cut off any leftover bits of string. Okay, once you've done that, as you can see here, I have drawn on a pair of eyes. I've stuck on a forked tongue, just like with the other one, where you have drawn, done the tongue and done the upside down triangle. And then, of course, you can decorate it. If you want to decorate it beforehand, before you tie it together, that probably is a good idea. And then get pens, paint, whichever you're doing, and start to draw your patterns and so on your snake. And there you have it, a slinky toilet roll snake. Hope you enjoy having a go at that at home. Goodbye everybody.